Hi, hello dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Paindra. In this video, tangent and normals, JEE Mains EAMCET type questions we will discuss now. First, before that, tangent normals. What is length of tangent? What is length of subtangent? What is length of subnormal? What is length of normal? I will show in the figure, not like the proofs. Just I am giving where it is, what is the length of tangent from the figure, what is the given curve. See here, let us consider y is equal to f of x be a curve, and let p of x comma y be any point on the curve. X axis, y axis, the point of intersection is origin. So from the figure, the line which touches at the point P is called tangent of the curve. So this is the tangent equation. Tangent equation. The line which is passing through the point P and perpendicular to the tangent is called normal. This is normal. This is tangent. So this tangent meets x-axis at the point T. So this is called length of tangent. You remember, from point P to from point T to the point T. So PT is called length of tangent. This is completely tangent equation. Length of tangent, if you discuss, only PT from the figure. So PT is equal to length of tangent. In brackets, simply you can write LT, length of tangent. What is that value? I will explain. From point T to the point M. From point P, you draw the perpendicular which meets x-axis at the point M. So from here to here, this length is subtangent. This is subtangent. Subtangent. So from the figure, MT is subtangent. MT is equal to length of subtangent. Length of subtangent. We can write as LST. Length of subtangent. LST. Next, from point P, the line which is perpendicular to the tangent is called normal equation. Normal equation passing to the point P and which meets at the point N is called normal. From point P to the point N is length of normal. So this is the normal one. Normal. This is normal. So Pn is equal to length of normal. Pn is equal to length of normal. So Ln we can denote with Ln. Next, from here to here it is there, no? From point M to N it is called subnormal. 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 So Mn is equal to Mn is equal to length of subnormal. Based on this, we will discuss the questions. So what is the values of this one? Length of tangent, length of subtangent, length of normal, length of subnormal. See here, before that one procedure is there. Let y is equal to f of x be a curve. Differentiate with respect to x, whatever the curve is given, that you can assume as y is equal to f of x. Differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx, which is equal to f of x derivative is f dash of x. So f dash of x means the derivative of the function. Derivative of the function is equal to slope of the curve. F of x be a curve, no? So f dash of x equal to slope of the curve. Slope of the curve or gradient of the curve. Gradient. Gradient of the curve. Simply it is denoted by m. Or dy by dx, another terms y1, that also we can denote f dash of x. which are all equal to slope of the curve. Slope of the curve is always equal to slope of the tangent. That also remember. Slope of the curve. Why? Because the line which touches the curve at the point P, that is called point of contact. P is, so slope of the curve is always equal to slope of the tangent. Slope, if you calculate at point P, so slope at P is denoted by m is equal to dy by dx at P. This is the way we can denote slope at P denoted by. So y1 is called slope of the curve or tangent, slope of the tangent. Next, equation of tangent and equation of normal also you need to know that information. Y1 is a derivative of the curve indirectly. Slope of the curve is derivative. So equation of tangent. The equation of tangent at P of x1 y1 to the curve is y minus y1 equal to m into, what is m here? Either y1 or f dash of x or divided by x of p, you can substitute m into x minus x1. This is a tangent equation. Similarly, normal, the equation of normal means perpendicular to the tangent. Tangent slope is m, perpendicular tangent slope is what? Minus 1 by m. So equation of normal at P of x1 y1 to the curve is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. You remember, dear students, while practicing the problems from tangent and normals, better to revise the concepts of equation of tangent, equation of normal, equation of tangent normal at parametric points of parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. It will help you directly in objective. You may get the chances, the equation of tangent in parametric point at P of t, that means to the parabola. When this objective directly they will give. That is the reason you thorough while practicing the tangent normal concepts. You need to revise the concepts of tangent normal in conic section as well circles. Now come to length of tangent. Length of tangent, it is denoted by LT. From here to here it is the length of tangent. Mod y into root of 1 plus y1 square divided by y1. This is the formula to calculate length of tangent. Length of normal, how to remember easily? Denominator y1, you have to remove that and write that rest of the formula. Y into root of 1 plus y1 square. That's all. Next, length of subtangent, which is equal to mod y divided by y1, the ratio of y and slope of the curve or slope of the tangent. Length of subnormal, y into y1. What is y1 here? Where y1 is equal to dy by dx or slope of the curve or f dash of x. I hope you understand. We will move on to the problems based on this. Keep in mind all these formulae. And one more information regarding angle between the curves. Suppose if you draw two curves here, that also will. This is the one curve. This is another curve, C1, C2, which are intersecting at the point P and Q. From the point P, you draw the tangent. From the point P, you draw the another tangent. The angle between the curves is defined as the angle between the two tangents at their point of intersection. The first tangent slope is denoted by m1, second tangent slope denoted by m2, and angle between them is theta, then angle between the two curves is denoted by tan theta equal to mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. If these curves, this is angle between two curves, angle between the curves or intersecting curves. Here point number 1, if theta equal to 90 degrees, then the curves said to be orthogonal. Then the curves cuts orthogonal. So this property is called orthogonality. When the curves are said to be orthogonal, angle between them is right angle. So that is the condition for that is m1 m2 equal to minus 1, like straight lines only. m1 m2 equal to minus 1. And come to the second point in this. If the curves touch each other, if theta is 0 degrees or 180, the curves are touch each other or the parallel. Generally touch each other, we can say that. In this case, the condition is m1 equal to m2. m1 equal to m2. What is the property of orthogonality? If the angle between them is right angle, then we say that the curves should be orthogonal. We will move on to the problems based on this. Next, first question here. The length of subnormal at x is equal to 8 on the parabola y square equal to 16x is. Options are available. Length of subnormal, LSN, y into y1, the formula for length of subnormal. So first you take the given curve, y square is equal to 16x. So differentiate with respect to x. Y square derivative is 2y. Again y also differentiate, y1 is equal to 16 into x derivative is 1. So y1 is equal to 8. That implies that what is y1? Length of subnormal only, LSN is equal to mod y1. That is equal to y1 value is what? Mod 8. So plus 8. That is. Here there is no x value, y value. Directly we can write the value of length of subnormal, y1 formula for that. Next, the length of subnormal to the curve xy equal to a square at x comma y on it is varies as. These type of questions are very important. They main chances to ask either in EAMCET or JEE mains. See here, before that, for the given curve we need to calculate the derivative. So first the given curve is xy is equal to a square. Differentiate to get the value of y1. So y make it a subject. So y equal to a square by x. Differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is y1. A square constant, dy dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So therefore y1 value is minus a square by x1. Minus a square by x square. So after that, length of subnormal, LSN. Length of subnormal formula is what? Mod y into y1. That is equal to mod y. Y value is what? From this given curve, y make as a subject. So y is equal to a square by x only, no? This we can replace here. A square by x into y1 value is minus a square by x square. Within modulus, a square into minus a square it will become a power 4 by x square into x is x power 3. But I want to get a constant y because at x comma y, length of subnormal, wherever it varies is there. If you varies means here y value substituted, no, y is equal to y into y1, a square value is over. If you remove this, x value also we can substitute here. That is equal to a power 4 by x value. X is equal to, from here, x also we can make it. X is equal to a square by y. So a square by y means a square by y whole cube, which is equal to a power 4 by a square whole power 3 is a power 6. Or this is y cube by y cube. That is equal to a power 4, a square means a square will become here. Y power 3 we can take in your numerator. Y power 3 by a square. So length of subnormal we got it as a square by, y cube by a square. Whenever length of subnormal varies, as means, if you remove this constant, this can be written as 1 by a square into y cube only, no? If you remove this constant, so this is proportional to cube of the y coordinate. So length of subnormal varies. The cube of, whenever you are going to remove this constant, so cube of y coordinate, length of subnormal varies, cube of y coordinate it is there in the fourth option. So y can't take, here you remove a power 4, y 1 by x power 3. 1 by x power 3 means it is a reciprocal. It is not proportionality, it is not varies. Reciprocal it will be. That is the reason here we are not taking that. So making it the numerator, the value. So 1 by a square, wherever constant is available, that you can remove. If you remove this constant, the length of subnormal is varies. The cube of y coordinate according to this question. Now come to the same procedure for this. The length of subnormal, length of normal, not length of subnormal difference. Length of normal. What is the given curve? Y is equal to a into e power a by 2 into e power x by a plus e power minus x by a. So e power x plus e power minus x by 2 means it is the definition of cos hx, hyperbolic. But in place of x, x by a is there, no? So we can write it as a into cos hx by 2, hx by a. So this is the value of y. So therefore y is equal to a into cos hx by a. So differentiate with respect to x. So y derivative is y1, a into cos hx by a derivative is sin hx by a. Again x by a derivative is 1 by a. So here a get cancelled. So y1 is equal to sin hx by a. After getting the value of y1, length of normal, ln is equal to mod y into root over 1 plus y1 square. You need to learn thoroughly the formulas, which is equal to mod y. Y means what? This one means a cos hx by a into square root of 1 plus cos h square x by a. From hyperbolic identities, root over 1 plus cos h square x by a is sin hx by a. So that is equal to, cos 1 sin hx by a. y1 value is sin, no? I wrote it cos, sin h square x by a. So a into cos hx by a, from hyperbolic identities, root over 1 plus cos sin h square x by a is cos hx by a. So which is equal to, so cos hx by a, from here y is equal to cos hx by a is y by a. So a into y by a, even here also y by a. Yes, length of normal, no? Correct only. So which is equal to mod y square by a. So the length of normal ln is equal to y square by a. If you remove this 1 by a, we can write it as like this, 1 by a into square of y coordinate. If you remove this 1 by a, it is proportional to, that means length of normal varies, the square of y coordinate. The square of y coordinate is there in the fourth option. I hope you understand this type of questions only they will ask. We will move on to the different questions. The next question. The area of triangle formed by the tangent to the curve y is equal to 8 by 4 plus x square at x is equal to 2 on it and the coordinate axis. So first find out the tangent equation. It is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. The area formed by the line x plus by plus c equal to 0 with the coordinate axis is half into c square by ab. Then you can get the answer. So before that, we need to calculate the slope of the curve or slope of the tangent. So the given curve is y equal to 8 by 4 plus x square. Differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is dy by dx or y1. 8 constant, 1 by 4 plus x square. 1 by x it is in this form. 1 by x derivative is what? Minus 1 by x square. So minus 1 by 4 plus x square whole square. Again this function you have to differentiate. 4 plus x square derivative is what? 2x. So ultimately this will be minus 16x by 4 plus x square whole square. Slope at what point they are asking to calculate? X is equal to 2. So m is equal to dy by dx at x is equal to 2. So in place of x substitute 2. So 16 into 2 minus 16 into 2 by 4 plus 2 square, that is 4 whole square, minus 16 into 2 divided by 8 square. So minus 32 divided by 8 square is 64. 32 ones are 32 twos are. So minus 1 by 2. M value we got it. So x is equal to 2, substitute in this y. So x is equal to 2, that implies that y is equal to 8 by 4 plus 4, that is equal to 1. X square, x is equal to 2 now. So the point is p x comma y or x1 comma y1 is 2 comma 1. Slope we know that, point also we know that, equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 1 equal to minus 1 by 2 into x minus 2. So 2y minus 2 equal to minus x plus 2. So x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So a value 1, b value 2, c value minus 4. So the area of triangle formed by this tangent, the area formed by the tangent with coordinate axis, otherwise simply with the axis. Axis means coordinate axis. Delta equal to half c square by AB. So which is equal to half into c square minus 4 whole square, 16 by AB, 1 into 2. So 16 by 4, that is equal to 4 square units. So area of 4 is in this, there in the second option. We'll move on to the another question. In the curve y is equal to b e power x by a, the following statements, in statement 1, subtangent is constant, subnormal varies as the square of the ordinate. Ordinate means y coordinate. So first you have to take it as a given curve, y is equal to b e power x by a. Differentiate with respect to x. y1 is equal to b into e power x by a, derivative is e power x by a. Again x by a derivative is 1 by a. So it will be y1 equal to b into e power x by a into y by a, 1 by a. Again we are writing same now. So b into e power x by a we can write as y now. So y into 1 by a. After that, from this, subtangent, the formula for subtangent they are asking. What is the formula for length of subtangent? LST. Length of subtangent is mod y by y1. So y by y1 value is this only, no? Y1 value is y by a. So y get cancelled. Denominator of denominator a. A is constant or not? So first statement is absolutely right. S1 is right. Second, subnormal. Subnormal is length of subnormal. LSN is equal to y into y1. So y is y only. Y1 value is y by a. So which is equal to y square by a. What is y square? This value. So b by, no need to write here. If you remove 1 by a into y square, you can write now. If you remove this constant, it varies the square of ordinate. The square of ordinate. That's what is the square of ordinate, it is there. So second one, this is also correct. Both S1 and S2 are correct statements. You keep in mind, dear students, these formulae, the set of formulae. We'll move on to the next questions. The next question. If the tangent line at P of t to the curve x equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t makes angle theta with yx, then f dash of t is to g dash of t. So parametric differentiation related. So x is equal to g of t is given. So parametric differentiation, differentiate with respect to t. So dx by dt is equal to g dash of t. Similarly, y is equal to g of t. Sorry, here f of t given now. Sorry. So the obviously it is f dash of t will come. Y is equal to g of t. Differentiate with respect to t. So dy by dt is equal to g dash of t. So this is f dash of t. This is g dash of t. So dy by dx formula. Dy by dx is equal to f dash of t by dy by dx equal to dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt. This is the formula for dy by dx. What is dy by dt? G dash of t only. By dx by dt is f dash of t. Dy by dx meaning is what? Slope of the tangent. So m is equal to g dash of t divided by f dash of t. M means what? Tan theta. Tan theta is equal to g dash of t by f dash of t. So that implies that tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta is equal to g dash of t by f dash of t. But they are asking here f dash of t is 2. So write the reciprocals. Cos theta by sin theta is equal to f dash of t by g dash of t. So that is, we can write it as, write in the ratio. A by b equals c by d means a is to b equals c is to d. So here that is f dash of t is to g dash of t is equal to cos theta is to sin theta. So cos theta is to sin theta, it is there in the second option. We will move on to the next question. This type of question is important. The value of k for which the length of subtangent to the curve x into y power k equal to c square. So x into y power k is equal to c square. The length of subtangent. What is the formula for length of subtangent? LST. Mod y by y1. So before that y1 we can calculate. Differentiate with respect to x to the given term. UV formula. X into y power k derivative is k into y power k minus 1 into y1 or dy by dx plus y power k into x derivative is 1 and constant derivative is 0. So that implies that kx into y power k minus 1 is y power k by y into dy by dx is equal to minus y power k. y1 make as a subject. So both sides y power k get cancelled. So y1 is equal to minus y by kx. So the length of subtangent LST, length of subtangent mod y by y1. So y by y1 value is what? Minus y by kx. Y get cancelled. That is equal to mod kx. What is x value? From here, x made as a subject, c squared by y power k. So substitute here, length of subtangent is equal to mod k into, in place of x, c squared by y power k. That is equal to k c square y power minus k. They are asking that length of subtangent to the curve is constant. So the length of subtangent is to be constant. Anyway, k and x c square is constant only. If this value goes to be 0, then it will become a constant. That means the power of, to get the value of k, the power of y should be equal to 0. Power of y is equal to 0. So what is the power of y here? That is minus k equal to 0. So k is equal to 0. So k is equal to 0 is the right option which is there in the fourth. The next question just reads, at any point on the curve y is equal to f of x, if the tangent makes an angle theta with positive x-axis, then length of tangent by length of normal whole square. See here, length of tangent. What is the formula for length of tangent? Which we discussed in the earlier classes. Length of tangent formula, y into root of 1 plus y1 square divided by y1 whole divided by, length of tangent formula is over. Length of normal, so y into root of 1 plus y1 square whole square. Length of tangent by length of normal whole square. So this one and this one will be cancelled. 1 by y1 square, that is equal to, y1 means what? Dy by dx only, no. We can write it as dx by dy whole square. It is there in the fourth option. So these are standard results which are based on all tangent, length of tangent, length of normal based questions. I hope you understand that. We'll move on to the next question. If at any point on the curve subtangent and subnormal are equal, subtangent LST is equal to LSN. Length of subtangent is equal to length of subnormal. LST, length of subtangent is what? Y by y1 is equal to length of subnormal, y into y1. So it leads to y get cancelled now anyway. So 1 is equal to y1 square. So here y get cancelled. y1 square is equal to 1. So that implies obviously y1 is equal to 1. But they are asking, then the length of tangent is equal to, length of tangent formula, mod y into root of 1 plus y1 square by y1. So whenever y1 value is 1, we need to write the denominator. Y into root of 1 plus y1 square value is 1. So length of tangent is equal to mod y into root 2. So we can write it as root 2 times of mod y can be written as ordinate of the point. So length of tangent is equal to root 2 times of ordinate, which is there in the second option. We'll move to this question. At any point on the curve, y is equal to fx, the subtangent, the ordinate of the point and subnormal. Subtangent, length of subtangent. What is length of subtangent? LST. Next, ordinate of the point, ordinate of P. Next, length of subnormal, LSN, or in AP, GP, HP. First we write the values. LST, length of subtangent, y by y1, comma, ordinate, y. Next, length of subnormal, y into y1. So by observing these values, which are in this form only, no? By observing A by R, A, AR. We know that which is the standard result. A by R, A, AR, which are in GP. So similarly, y by y1, y y1 which are in also GP. Or in geometrical progression. So this is the standard result. I hope you understand. Students, we'll move on to the last question in this session. I hope you understand. One more video I'm going to make in tangent normals with the depth questions. The angle at which the curve y is equal to k into e power kx intersect the y-axis. So given curve is y is equal to k into e power kx. Differentiate with respect to x. So what happens here? Dy by dx, that is equal to k into e power kx, derivative is k into e power kx. So k square e power x. This curve cuts y-axis. Whenever cuts y-axis, x coordinate is 0 obviously. So x is equal to 0, substitute in this, y value also will come as k. So dy by dx means first curve slope only, no? So m1 is equal to, second curve is y-axis, intersect with y-axis. So second curve y-axis slope m2 is equal to infinity. So m1 at what point? 0 comma k. The point P is P of x comma y is equal to P of 0 comma k. At this point, the slope of this curve m1 is equal to, so in place of x 0, so k square only will come. Here you have to remember, dear students, one important point. Whenever the curve, any curve, cuts y-axis, make a note, the curve cuts y-axis, then the angle between curve and y-axis is tan theta is equal to mod 1 by m1. This is the formula, you remember, it's a standard result. So what is the m1 value? We got it here, k square. So tan theta is equal to 1 by k square. But tan theta value not there, k square. So if you write the reciprocal, cot theta is equal to k square. So theta is equal to cot inverse of k square. So theta is equal to cot inverse of k square, which is there in the first option. You keep in mind, dear students, this is very important. When the curve cuts y-axis, then the angle between them is tan theta equal to 1 by m1, the reciprocal of first slope, 1 by m1. I hope you understand, you enjoyed the session. In the next video, I will make different questions based on length of tangent, length of normal, and different questions. I will give that depth questions in the next session. Thank you all for watching our videos. Those who are watching first time, please do subscribe and like the videos. How much if you like these videos, it will reach to the needy students, those who require it. So please, my suggestion, my request is, those who are watching my videos, please like and share to your friends. Thank you all.